The COVID-19 pandemic has impacted us in many ways, and sufficient nutrition become very important, especially if one has been infected. Guess which fruit has far more vitamin C, fiber, and is rich in antioxidants to slow down aging? The answer is raspberry. The sweet and sour taste is delicious. It can be eaten easily, but raspberry picking is not that easy. What are the difficulties of raspberry picking? The intuitive feeling is that raspberries are very soft and can easily be pinched when picking. There's a hole at the bottom of the raspberry, and when picking, you need to pinch the raspberry and then gently turn the fruit from the small stem down to pick. And the raspberry that is not fully ripe is difficult to pick. Another difficulty is that with a declining birth rate and aging population, the fresh raspberry farming industry is now facing an unprecedented challenge: the lack of workers for picking work. How to solve it? Today, I will introduce a raspberry picking robot company, Viridius Technology, founded in December 2021. The company is located in the riverside city of Coimbra, Portugal, with its well-preserved medieval city and historic University of Coimbra. Portugal is a country that not only faces a low birth rate and aging population, but also has almost 80,000 young people leaving the country every year to work and live in Europe or other countries. So the place is facing a serious shortage of workers. And because raspberry picking is a seasonal job, wages account for more than 50% of the total cost of raspberry production. At the same time, there's a lot of waste due to the mishandling at the time of picking and the inability to adjust the supply chain through real-time crop data resources. Viridius designed its raspberry picking robot to address these challenges, developing a patented technology based on robotics, computer vision, and artificial intelligence and machine learning to pick raspberries autonomously without damage to the fruit or shrubs, and reducing manual labor by 87% while achieving a waste-free harvest. Additionally, by decentralizing raspberry production, bringing the crop closer to the consumer optimizes the supply chain and effectively reduces carbon dioxide emissions associated with its life cycle. The raspberry robot also provides access to crop data that can be used to predict disease, optimize production, and more. The founder of Viridius Technology, Afonso, is a mechanical engineer who graduated from the Technical University of Lisbon, specializing in system and control, and has been researching in the field of robotics and automation. Since he started his business as a freshman, Afonso has been an all-rounder, responsible for business, marketing, finance, and so on. His team members have grown from less than 10 to more than 60 people and have reached partnerships with technology giants such as Google. Viridius is already his third venture. At first, he focused on developing and implementing an autonomous system for processing and packaging blueberries. However, they quickly identified a problem in the market, a lack of manual labor, and turned their focus to autonomous picking of high-value crops, and would later expand to picking other fruits. So far, Viridius' functional prototype has been tested and validated by producers and has received a letter of intent of over 1,000 hectares of fresh raspberry picking. If this is the first time watching the video, you're welcome to subscribe to the KellyOnTech channel and easily understand the global cutting-edge technologies and promising startups.